Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will vectorize my Pikachu drawing in Adobe Illustrator, showing you the process from sketch until the final result. Three, two, one. Process starting. Let's create a new document. Make it 840 by 600 pixels and color mode RGB. Rename your document as the current project. To import your sketch, go to File and Place. Click and drag it, and set it in the middle of your canvas. Lower the opacity to 50%. Lock this layer and name it Background. Create a new layer, and name it Linework. Select Zoom tool so you can zoom in and out the artboard. Select No Fill and change the stroke to black. Make sure to check the round cap and round join boxes. Select the Pen tool. Click once to create an anchor point. Select the Curvature tool. Then click and drag. Continue curving the lines. Let's use the Ellipse tool. Click and drag while holding Shift plus Command or Control to create a perfect circle. Select Add Anchor Point tool. Press A for Direct Selection tool, and delete the unnecessary anchor points. Select and drag the Live widget to refine your shape. Click and drag to select everything. Select the Shape Builder tool. Then, while holding Option or Alt, click once to delete the unnecessary pieces. Continue doing this process. Select the Rectangle tool. I will create his eye. Swap the stroke with Fill and choose black. Hide the background layer for a better view. Create a new layer and name it Color. And make sure is underneath the Linework layer. Click and drag to select everything. Click this button and drag it in the color layer while pressing Option or Alt. Press Shift plus M to select the Shape Builder tool. Click once to create the desired shapes. When you're done, select all created new shapes while holding Shift. Press Command or Control X to cut them from the artboard. Hide this layer. Delete the remaining shapes and lines. And paste it in front using Shift and Command or Control plus V. Select the created shapes, and make sure that they have no stroke. You can pause the video here to see all the color codes I have used for this character. Select the eyedropper tool. I will add the rest of the details. Select the width tool. Now click and drag in the middle for a thicker or thinner stroke. Then close up the sides. This way you will have a nicer effect in the final result of your project. Create a new layer above the color layer, and name it Shadows. Select this shape. Then go at, select, same, fill color. This will select all shapes with the same fill color. This way is quicker to reduce the opacity of all in the same time. I will create now the highlights. Delete your sketch. So far, so good. Well done. I don't like how this part turned out. Let's fix this. Select everything and expand. I will add also deeper shadows. Project complete. Congratulations. If you made it until here, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so we can meet again. Thank you and see you around.